what's up guys? Today we're just going for a little drive to one of my friend's house. Not in this, I wish I was driving this. This is pretty cool, isn't it? Very nice, very nice. But obviously we're driving my car. It's a little dirty, so I might take it to the car wash to get it, you know, cleaned and all that. But we're just driving down to one of my friend's house because I need him to do something for me, you know? I need him to do something to the car for me. Anyway, let's get to it. Check it, there is a Lamborghini Urus in this place. God damn. In the car wash for the first time. Let's go. It's not cleaning out than before, definitely. Remember I said about that Lamborghini Urus? Right there. Alright, let's go. Check this one out. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow. An M3. Alright. Well, almost at the place anyway. Let's keep on going. Alright, we're here. And there's my boy. There's the engine. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a very whirring sound coming from the engine there. It's coming from over here. And if you're down here, I don't know if you can hear it from here, but anyway, yeah. Something is up. I also have an oil leak somewhere down there. I don't understand. Somewhere down there, oil leak. But anyway, I'm here at my friend's, at my mate's house, so I'll get him to check that when he's got some time. Let's give you a wide shot. Trying to focus this. Boom. Keep you guys updated. Probably have seen the video of this installation. That's locked. Alright. I wanted to get a shot of me pulling into here, but oh well. 55D right there. Alright.
One eternity later.
I feel like I'm Goku. Hey, hey, yeah. Come again. Hey, yeah. I feel like I'm Goku. Woo. through. I'm ballin', I feel like I'm Goku. Goku. Ballin', I feel like I'm Goku. Hey, my credit card didn't go through. I'm ballin', I feel like I'm Goku. Ballin', I feel like I'm Goku. Ballin', I feel like I'm Goku. Goku. Feel like I'm. Ballin', I feel like I'm Goku. She just want happy, and this girl just stop pretending, and that's new beginnings. Mrs. Music with a new lieutenant, way too moist, just hit you with that stupid vision. Man, I boil jokers and my soup is finished, about to sip it, sir. Ooh, need to quit this sip and serve.